In this video, we'll show you how to install the auto start stop disable mechanism in a 2018 Toyota Highlander. First thing we're going to do is take this side trim panel off, and all you got to do is basically get behind here a bit and it'll pop right off and it'll pull right out. And down below we need to pull this side bottom trim off right here. All you do is pull up, and then before you start pulling this one off, there's a little nut right here. You can use your Phillips head screwdriver to pull that off. Alright, now you got to pull this piece off right here, and all you do is grab the side and you pull it out towards you. And everything slides right off. Next, you want to take out this 10mm screw. And then down below, you have a Phillips head screw there and another Phillips head screw right there. And we want to take those two screws out also. And then right here, you want to, don't pull too hard. You'll see there's a little clip right in there. You want to push in and down. It'll come right off. Next step is to pull this section off. Grab in over by the steering wheel. You have to use a little force. It won't break. And it comes right off. You can see, now you want to go behind the auto on-off switch. And this black connector, you just push right where my thumb is. And it'll pull right out. And the next thing to do is install the module. Comes ready to go, plug and play. Comes with a ATA fuse with a 15 amp fuse in it already. That'll be routed down to the fuse box, and here is the actual mechanism. This will plug into the back of the switch, and this will be plugged in by the wire harness. So all you do, plug this part into the back of the switch, and then this part will plug right into here. Now what you're going to do is just kind of fish the wire with the fuse just down through back here behind that plastic plate that we had taken down earlier with the two Phillips. And that's about it. You can just leave that right there if you like. It's not going to hurt anything. You can tape it to something. You can zip tie it to here. Whatever you like. Next step will be to install the fuse, and to put all the dash back together, it's just the reverse of how we took it apart. Now that we've gotten everything back together, I'll show you where to put the fuse. There's the fuse panel right there. Going to be under the driver's side dash on the left side, and on the side closest to the back of the car, it's a little clip right here to remove the fuse cover. It sticks a little, but it will come off. The only issue now is that once you install the ATA fuse, this fuse cover will not fit over the fuses. If you search online, you can find extended fuse covers. Not exactly for the Highlander, you'll have to search for the Tacoma, but they do make them, and they have side spots open for these wires to run through. So you can choose whichever fuse you want to add to. The one I like to use is going to be right here. It's going to be the 10 amp power outlet 2, number 2. So all you do is you pull that fuse out, you insert this ATA fuse into there, and then the 10 amp fuse you've pulled out goes right into here, and then you're good to go. Let's see. So here's that 10 amp fuse. You just pull it out. Now you get your add a fuse. That'll be that. Okay, so we've got everything put back together, and now I'll show you how it works. All you do is start your car like usual. And you will see now automatically the auto start stop is disabled. If you want it to turn back on, all you have to do is push the button like normal. If you want it back off, same thing. So the button still works exactly like it's supposed to, but now when you start your vehicle, the auto start stop is in the off position.